ARCI International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials, an autonomous R&D center under the Department of Science and Technology, has been focused on developing high-performance materials and processes for specialized applications since 1996. ARCI predominantly works on additive manufacturing, and here we are, going to explore more through this video.
Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a transformative approach to industrial production that builds objects layer by layer using digital design data. Electron beam melting is a powder bed fusion additive manufacturing process that uses a high-energy electron beam to selectively melt and fuse metal powder layer by layer. The image shown is the EBM machine at ARCI. First, we need to generate the file containing the position, shape and orientation of the different parts and necessary support structures to manufacture using EBM. This is how the inside of the machine looks. There are two hoppers to load the powder, and a substrate plate needs to be placed on which the samples will be printed. After that, we keep the heat shield to protect the parts of the machine from high temperature. The chamber is then closed and vacuum is created. During the process, powder is spread on the previous layer, followed by incidence of electron beam to melt specific regions. This is how the process looks from the viewing window to the operator. After the build is complete, this is how the part along with sintered powder looks like. Then we clean the powder using vacuum cleaner, after which the powder can be collected and reused. Further cleaning is performed using a powder recovery system, and the finished component can be obtained. EBM facility at ARCI is used for applications involving reactive and refractory alloys. ARCI gratefully acknowledges the invaluable support of the Department of Science and Technology, DST, which continues to drive our innovation and excellence.